A very good morning to all of you. In the previous topic, we have discussed about the three methods of the birth control. They were natural methods, barrier methods and IUDs, that is intrauterine devices. Now I am going to discuss with you the next three methods, that are the oral contraceptive, injections and implants, and surgical methods. Right. So these are the next three methods of the birth control. So the very first method is the oral contraceptives. I told you the contraceptives are the things that are needed to avoid the pregnancy. So oral contraceptives, these are in the form of the pills that are taken by the females. This basically there is a hormonal preparations of either progesterones and the combination of the progesterone plus estrogens. So pills are the oral contraceptives that are the hormonal preparations of progesterone or progesterone and estrogen combinations. So this basically inhibit ovulation and implantation, and as well as they alter the quality of the cervical mucus that prevent the entry of the sperms. So pills are to be taken for the period of 21 days starting from the 5th day of the menstrual cycle, after the gap of 7 days to be repeated in the same pattern. So Saheli is an oral contraceptive. It is non-steroidal preparation developed by the scientists at the Central Drug Research Institute in Lucknow. It is once a week pill, hafte mein ek bari. It is also a contraceptive pill, but it is non-steroidal preparation developed by the CDRI, that is Central Drug Research Institute, and it is once week pill, that is taken one pill only in a week. So pills have their high contraceptive values and the few side effects. So Saheli is a very common oral contraceptive. It is once a week pill. This is a normal question in the exams, that which is a once a week pill, contraceptive pill, that is the Saheli, and formed by the CDRI, that is Central Drug Research Institute. So this is all about the contraceptive. Next thing is the injections and the implants. So let's recall first contraceptive once again. These are the pills in the form of the pills that are the hormonal preparations of the progesterone plus estrogen combinations. They are taking for the 21 days after the 5th day of the menstrual cycle, and these are for the 21 days, and they can be repeated in the same pattern after a gap of 7 days. So Saheli is the oral contraceptive that is once a week pill. It is taken once in a week, and it is formed by the CDRI, that is Central Drug Research Institute. The next thing is the injections and implants. The next method of the birth control is injection and implants. So progesterone or progestogen and estrogen combination, they can also be used in the form of the injections by the females, or they are implant under the skin. So their mode of action is similar to that of the pills, but they are their effective periods are longer. they are for the 6 months and so on. For the 3 months, for the 6 months, their effective period is longer than the pills. Other than the pills, they are only once time. Injection are taken once a time in a body, or implantations are once a time in a body, and they are for the effective longer period. However, their chemical composition is same as that like of the pills, because they also contain progesterones and their combination, that is progesterone and estrogen combinations. Next one is the surgical method, that are also known as sterilizations. Sterilization means, as you all know, that fertilization means to provide fertility. So, sterilization means that if there is no fertility, then it is known as the sterile. Sterile word is also used for the infertile couples, right? So, it is also known as sterilization. This is basically the permanent method that block the transport of gametes, thereby preventing conception effectively. If there is no transportation of gametes, then it is preventing conception effectively. It is normally known as nasbandi in Hindi, right? So, because of the thing, they just block the way of the gametes through which they are transported, and there is no chance of the conception. But this type of contraceptive, this is a type of contraceptive that is not reversible. If a couple, once they go into this surgical method, they can't be fertile again. So, that's why this method is known as sterilization. In male, a part of vas deferens is removed and tied up with the small incision on the scrotum, and this is called vasectomy. While in the females, a small part of fallopian tube is removed and it is tied up through a small incision in the abdomen or the vagina, and this is called tubectomy. So, let us write here what it is exactly. It is a method of sterilization that blocks the transport of gametes, hence preventing conception. It is of two types: vasectomy and tubectomy. It is done in males, it is done in females. In this, vas deferens is removed and tied up an incision on scrotum. While in this, it is done in females, a part of fallopian tube is removed, part of, and tied up in abdomen or vagina. This is a very effective method, but this can't be reversible. So, it is a irreversible method. And in the starting of the birth control, we discussed about the ideal contraceptive. So, this is not a type of ideal contraceptive because it is non-reversible or irreversible. So, let us recall the 6 methods once again. There are 6 methods of the birth control. First one are the natural methods, in which there are 3 types, that is periodic abstinence, coitus interruptus and lactational amenorrhea. In the Barian method, there are condoms, diaphragm, cervical caps and valves, spermicidal jellies, creams and foams. In the intrauterine devices, there are also 3 types: non-mediated, copper releasing and hormone releasing IUDs. In the case of oral contraceptives, we are having the pills that are the combinations of the progesterone and estrogen and only progesterone. In case of injections and implants, they have the same chemical composition like that of the pills in the oral contraceptive, but these are in the form of the injections, and they are in the they are for the effectively long time duration or period. Surgical method, this is known as also known as sterilization, because in this this method is irreversible, because this in this method the part of the male and the female gamete blockage way of the male and female gametes through which they move is blocked, or it is removed by an incision. Then there is an incision and through which they can't be reproductive again. So these are the some methods of the birth control. In the next topic we will discuss about the medical termination of pregnancy and the sexually transmitted disease. So that's all for today, students. Thank you and have a nice day.